So perhaps the hardest thing about research is the funding for it and being able to sustain that funding. We were fortunate enough to get support from Diabetes Research WA over several years, which did fund one of those speculative projects I was talking about. And this project was able to identify the precursor cells that were able to differentiate into insulin producing beta cells. So that's one thing, identify those precursors and then find out ways to stimulate those cells so that they'll go through that process of differentiation, and then take those cells and be able to transplant them into diabetic mice and show that those mice were cured. And this really was world-leading research. Fourthly, we were able to show that human cells could be identified in just the same way as the mouse cells, and they could also be developed into beta cells. But unfortunately, we just don't have the money to keep going with this line of research. If we were to get a cure for type 1 diabetes, it's going to be able to come from this knowledge of being able to guide precursor cells through the pathway towards the beta cell.